Hello everyone, welcome back to Arabic Learner Series. I'm Hen and we are celebrating the Eid Al-Fitr and a very happy and special holiday. Ramadan is over, no more fasting. Eid is about happiness, being together and giving. But what's make this day special? Let's take a look. Eid Al-Fitr is also called Festival of Breaking the Fast and marks the end of the Ramadan and the start of the celebration. In the morning, the people they wear the new clothes and they will go to the mosque for prayer. It's called Salat al-Eid. Families and friends, they will meet each other and eat the delicious food, exchange the gifts, and spend the time together. And today in our classes, let's learn together how to greet each other in this special day and how to say Happy Eid in Arabic. On Eid, we say Eid Fitr Sa'eed. That means Happy Eid Al-Fitr. Let's break it down. Eid, celebration. Fitr, breaking the fast. Sa'eed, happy. Repeat after me. Eid Fitr Sa'eed. Eid Fitr Sa'eed. Great, so now you can use this greeting with your family and your friends. Eid, it's not just about celebration, it's also about giving. One of the most important traditional is Zakat al-Fitr. This is a special charity to help people in need, so everyone can enjoy Eid. CSCEC Middle East is also following this tradition of giving back. And this year, our company joined an iftar meal distribution to give the meal to the workers in need. But we don't stop there. CSCEC Middle East always work to help others. We don't just build a building, we build a future of caring, unity, and hope. So now we have a special surprise.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed. Eid Fitr Sa'eed. Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed. Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
Eid Fitr Sa'eed.
CSCEC Middle East wish you a wonderful Eid. Eid Fitr Sa'eed.